Sharks are fascinating creatures that have been around for millions of years. They come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny dwarf lantern shark to the massive whale shark. Sharks are truly amazing animals, and today we will share 5 interesting facts about them. Number 1. Sharks can smell blood from a very long distance. Sharks have an incredible sense of smell, and they can detect blood from miles away. This is because sharks have special receptors in their noses that are sensitive to even the tiniest amounts of blood in the water. These receptors send signals to the shark's brain, which then triggers a response. The shark is then able to swim towards the source of the blood, which could be a potential meal. This ability to smell blood is not only helpful for finding food, but it can also be dangerous for humans. If a shark smells blood in the water, it may mistake a human for prey and attack. That's why it's important to be aware of your surroundings when swimming in shark-infested waters and to avoid bleeding. If you do get cut or injured, make sure to exit the water as quickly and calmly as possible. No, too, some sharks can walk on land. You may be surprised to learn that some species of sharks can walk on land. This is thanks to their special fins, which allow them to move around outside of the water. These sharks are known as epaulet sharks, and they can be found in shallow coastal waters. They typically crawl on the ocean floor in search of food, using their fins to propel themselves forward. While they're on land, these sharks can actually breathe air, thanks to a special adaptation that allows them to absorb oxygen through their skin. This means that they don't have to return to the water to breathe, which allows them to stay on land for extended periods of time. 3. A group of male sharks will isolate a female to forcibly mate with her turn by turn. This behavior is known as cooperative breeding, and it's only seen in a few species of sharks. The males will isolate a female from the pod to ensure that she is ready to mate. They will take turns mating with her, and this can go on for hours. The female will give birth to pups a few months later, and the males will help to guard the pups until they are old enough to fend for themselves. This is a rare and unusual behavior in the animal kingdom, and it's a fascinating example of how sharks can exhibit complex social behaviors. Number 4. Sharks can live to be hundreds of years old. The exact lifespan of a shark depends on its species. However, some species are known to live for hundreds of years. For example, the Greenland shark has been known to live for more than 500 years. This is thought to be due to a number of factors, including the shark's slow metabolism and the cold waters in which it lives. These factors slow down the aging process, allowing the shark to live for an exceptionally long time. 5. There are over 500 species of sharks in the world. Sharks come in all shapes and sizes. The smallest shark is the dwarf lantern shark, which is only about 6 inches long. The largest shark is the whale shark, which can grow up to 40 feet long. There are many different types of sharks, and each species has its own unique adaptations and characteristics. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures. Sharks are truly fascinating animals, and we encourage you to learn more about them. Thanks for watching.